Good morning. Okay, so I flooded my base coat with a house white. I ran out of white paint. Michael's didn't have any, so I had to get some. And I just went to Home Depot and got a white paint there. So that's what I'm working with. I did mix it with some Floetrol and yeah, just so that it didn't crack. I'm going to be using metallic, bright, shiny finish gold Rust-Oleum spray. And I've got a bronze by Extreme Sheen. I've got some special paint colors. This is a dark gray, like a charcoal gray. This is almost like a tan. I have Sargent's metallic copper. And I have a cream color. And this isn't just white. I actually added some of the charcoal and some of this tan color into the white as well, so it wasn't so bright, because it is a bright white, pure white base paint. So yeah, so this is a experiment, I suppose. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. I do have a blank canvas here, and we're maybe gonna go for a minimalist look. Not quite sure. And I suppose we'll just find out once I layer a cup. All right, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take my base. Actually, maybe I'll do an open cup. So let's put that to the side. And I'm going to get my scissors. And I'm just going to cut this off right here. So that's how you make an open cup. There are many different ways to have an open cup, I suppose. But either way, it gets right to the point. And there we have it. So I think what I'm gonna do is start sort of right there. And I'm gonna put some of the base around it. I wanna say white, but it's not white anymore, so I'm just sealing the edges. And I don't wanna do too much, but all right. I'm just gonna spray that right in there. I've got the windows open here, so there's no, I mean, there's a smell, but it's not going to be so bad. And I see an elephant, but I'm gonna make that elephant go away. So I think what I need is a little more of the darker color. I want to bring some of this down a bit. Okay. I really, really love this. Okay, so I think I'm done, and I don't believe you guys can actually see the gold, and I'm going to bring you in because it is so pretty. And we'll go from there. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. So I'm just gonna play a little bit longer here. And just bring this line in here. Just want to bring in a little more copper because I know when this dries, this is going to be gorgeous. All right, so I think I'm done. Let's bring you guys in on this one. Just take my gloves off because I want to save them. All right. Okay, here we are. Now, you can see the gold in this piece. This is probably gonna be the best angle to catch it all, but you can see it here and here. And all over there. But that copper just illuminates underneath there, and it's got some of the gold with it. I'm really liking what it did. And all up in here, and this is like a lot of the bronze is in here. The bronze over here. But look at all of that. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you don't already. And check out my social media links. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, samackart, and check out my website, which I am working on currently. And I have Etsy also, but I'll be eliminating that in time. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.